everything's fine. This is gonna be really rough. Hey guys, it's Katie and I'm back today with my good friend from BuzzFeed India, Aniket.
Since you guys asked for it, I am here back with Katie to teach her another Indian recipe and this time it's a dessert. और आज भी मैं सिर्फ हिंदी में ही बात करूँगा. And at the end of it, we'll compare the real dish with whatever Katie ended up with and see how well she did. Katie, are you excited?
I am excited. I haven't been studying. I should have brushed up or rewatched the video.
Since we've done this before, this time you're only going to get one lifeline, which is the Google it. So you can Google a phrase or sentence which I say and it'll tell you exactly what to do. That's your only lifeline, so use it wisely.
I feel like I'm going to I've graduated from first grade to kindergarten. It's getting a little harder. I do remember the numbers though. 8, do, teen, char, punch.
That's great, but this time I feel like we are going to work a lot with fractions, which you don't know anything about. But I'm super excited because this is one of my favorite desserts ever.
Well, I guess let's just get started because there's no turning back now.
Chalo!
You sent me all of the ingredients. I like the rose water and the pistachios. I'm excited. I really have no idea what we're making.
Okay, Katie, अब से मैं तुमसे सिर्फ हिंदी में बात करूंगा. अब होता है पहला भाग शुरू. मुझे तुम्हारे लिए बहुत डर लग रहा है, but let's see.
I heard let's see, and I want to see. Okay.
अच्छा, अभी एक बड़ा कटोरा लो.
I feel it was flour last time.
नहीं, बड़ा कटोरा.
There's a bowl.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. और उसमें दूध का पाउडर डालो.
Milk powder? Cup?
3/4.
Quarter cup. Quarter cup?
नहीं, 3/4.
Teen.
3.
Teen! Teen is 3. Teen is 3 cup.
नहीं, बहुत ज्यादा है, वो बहुत ज्यादा है. 3/4.
1/3 cup.
मैंने बोला था आपको कि हम fractions में बात करेंगे.
We're in the fractions zone. Okay.
3/4.
3/4.
3/4, yes.
3 over char.
Yes.
Alright, so teen over char.
आधा कप मैदा डालो.
1 cup flour.
आधा.
Atta is half a cup. Sugar? Oil. Ghee? Butter?
नहीं.
Atta is half a cup flour?
हाँ.
Ha 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 ha. Half a cup flour.
छोटा चम्मच baking powder.
Oh, you guys call baking powder.
Yeah, it's English.
Chota is a little bit, so I'm gonna a half a teaspoon.
हाँ.
Oh, yeah. Chota, baking powder.
अब सब कुछ मिला लो.
Stir this together.
अब 2 बड़े चम्मच घी डालो.
So 2 tablespoons. Do barachama. I'm sorry, I'm butchering it.
1/4 कप दूध डालो.
1/4 cup. Doodle?
Yeah, like dude.
What would be dude?
तुम्हें गाय पता है जो मूँ करती है? Like moo.
Milk! Ooh, milk! I feel like that was cheating, but thank you. I'm gonna pour myself a glass of dude. 1/4 cup, right?
हाँ.
Boom.
अब सब कुछ अच्छे से मिला लो.
अच्छे से melalo.
Let me know when you're done milaloing it. अब इसको एक गोला बनाओ. ढक के बाजू में रख दो.
Make it a ball, cover it, and put it off to the side.
Wow.
Wow. Okay, so it needs to be in a ball.
हाँ.
No earthly clue what we're making. We're gonna set it aside.
कढ़ाई है तुम्हारे पास?
A cutting board?
कढ़ाई.
Pan.
हाँ.
Pan.
नहीं वो नहीं, ये पहला वाला.
I'm learning the language, but mostly I'm watching your face.
अब उसमें 2 कप चीनी डालो.
Oil.
नहीं, चीनी.
Sugar.
हाँ.
That sounds cute and makes sense.
2 कप. अब 2 कप पानी डालो.
Honey, I think, is water.
Yes.
So we're making some type of syrup, I'm assuming. Some type of sugary.
हाँ, चाशनी बना रहे हैं.
Yeah. What you said. Yeah, what you said.
अब गैस चालू कर दो.
Oh.
अब उसमें 2 इलायची डालो.
2 saffron?
नहीं.
Cardamom pods?
हाँ.
Cardamom smells so delicious. So 2 ilayachi.
थोड़ा सा केसर डालो.
Borasa?
केसर.
Borasa kesa. Is that saffron?
हाँ.
I'm gonna guess a couple strands.
हाँ.
This stuff is expensive.
So expensive.
Char, or do you think punch?
5. Let's live a little.
Let's go crazy. Let's go wild with the saffron.
गैस को तेज आंच पे डालो.
Phase.
एकदम जल्दी गर्म होना चाहिए. Like बुड़.
Bring it to a boil? That is the best thing that anyone has ever done. So turn up the heat.
हाँ. अब इसको अच्छे से मिला लो.
Keep going. Stir the whole time.
चीनी घुलने तक मिलाते रहो.
Stir the sugar till it's dissolved.
हाँ. Wow. Katie, did you take Hindi classes while I was away?
All I heard was chini, and I remember like chini is sugar, and I'm starting. We're almost there. We're almost there.
5 minute तक उबालो.
5 minutes of boiling.
Yeah.
So we should just hang out then.
तो क्या सब चल रहा है जिंदगी में?
No idea what you're saying. So right now we're just like aram karowing.
Yeah, we don't have the ing, but it just makes it funnier.
Oh, what is that? Boil.
उबालो.
Okay, got it. Well, we are obaloing.
अब अगर उबल गया हो तो गैस बंद कर दो.
Take it off the heat.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. एक छोटा चम्मच नींबू का रस डालो.
Nimu is salt?
नहीं.
Nimu. Oh, milk. Lemon juice.
हाँ, नींबू का रस डालते हैं तो चाशनी जमती नहीं है. चाशनी.
This is chashni.
हाँ, अब एक चम्मच गुलाब जल डालो. गुलाब एक फूल है.
Let it cool. One minute I'm really feeling I get it, and the next minute I'm like on another planet. I have been obsessed with rose water. Is rose water gulab jal?
हाँ.
Yes!
बड़ा चम्मच.
Bada chamach. So that's a tablespoon.
हाँ.
Oh, this smells delicious, divine.
बस अब आराम करो, उसको साइड में रख दो.
Put it away. We're cool. Let's chill that out. Aram karo. Okay, yes.
आटा जो बनाया था वो लेकर आओ.
Bring that dough, flour dough.
ये अब उस आटे के छोटे छोटे गोले बनाओ.
Make little balls.
हाँ.
Make little balls. How does that?
दरार नहीं होनी चाहिए, एकदम सपाट करो, एकदम मुलायम.
Yep, ekdam malayam. Is it okay that it kind of has bumps on here?
नहीं.
No? I ended up rolling the whole thing. I think some of them have cracks, but you're not gonna like.
They probably won't make the cut.
This sounds like American Idol. Like, what's happening? They're not gonna make the cut.
अब एक कढ़ाई लो.
Like cutting? Do I Google it now?
कर लो use lifeline. I feel like you're going to regret this, but sure.
This.
हाँ.
I do regret that I didn't take a little bit longer.
अब कढ़ाई में तेल डालो.
Which is oil, which I remember. So I think I'm just gonna fill this up to like where it would cover the balls.
हाँ.
I'm assuming we're frying the balls.
हाँ.
So.
थर्मोमीटर की जरूरत नहीं है. थोड़ा सा आटा डाल के देखो अगर
Oh, atta. You put a little atta.
हाँ.
Okay, to see when it's, you don't know the temp. No. Okay, the oil I think is hot enough.
अब तेल में डालो और उसको तल दो.
I wish you could be here so you could see if the color is right or not. I think this guy looks good. We're not all done. Next steps.
अब उसको बाजू में रख दो और 10 मिनट तक ठंडा होने दो.
I'm gonna put away the oil.
हाँ, ठंडा होने के लिए रखो, आराम करो.
Put that to the side. Chill. Some I did darker than others. They look okay. So I think they're pretty cool now.
अब वो गोले लो और चाशनी में डाल दो.
You told me this before. Chashni. What's sugar again?
चीनी.
Oh, yes, chashni.
चाशनी, yes, चाशनी.
Okay, I have it.
अब उन गोलों को चाशनी में डाल दो.
Put the balls in the chashni. So they're gonna soak in this. Oh my goodness. It smells like roses. It smells so good.
आराम करो.
Okay, so we're gonna let these chill, hang out.
काजू, पिस्ता और बादाम.
Pistachio?
हाँ.
Cashew?
और बादाम.
Badam.
हाँ.
Badam. Sorry.
काजू, बादाम और पिस्ता को छोटा छोटा काट लो.
Cut. Kato.
हाँ, छोटा छोटा.
So can these be mixed together or no?
या. अब एक कटोरी लेकर आओ.
Katori. A plate? A bowl?
हाँ.
I've got the bowl. They're so beautiful.
थोड़ी चाशनी भी डालो उसमें.
Syrup. Put more syrup on it.
नहीं, और चाशनी डालो, और डालो.
Way more?
हाँ, उसमें तैरने चाहिए.
This is indulgent. Oh my god.
हाँ. काजू, पिस्ता और बादाम उसके ऊपर से थोड़ा डालो.
Okay, I'm just gonna sprinkle to my leisure. Oh, it's so pretty. Are we done?
We are done.
We did it.
I'm so happy and so amazed at how well you picked everything up and you did it.
Thank you so much. I want to see what yours looks like.
I am so excited to show you what I have and taste test it together.
I'm nervous. I want to see if they're close.
Do you have any idea of what this might be?
No. It looks familiar to me. Like, I definitely think I've seen it before, but I've definitely never eaten it before.
Okay, it is gulab jamun.
I thought gulab jamun was the, like, batter that is.
I think that's jalebi.
Jalebi! That's what I've had before.
So gulab means rose and the chashni is made of rose water. And jamun is actually a fruit in India. I think it's called a black plum in English. So this kind of looks like a fruit. That's why they just call it jamun, but it's not. I mean, of course, it doesn't have any relation to the actual fruit itself.
Is this like one of your favorite desserts? I mean, it seems really popular. I've definitely heard the name before.
It is definitely popular in the northern side of India. My mom used to make this a lot when I was growing up. So this is very special to me also.
Oh my god, yours are huge!
Yeah, they've been sitting in the syrup for so long, they've just become so huge.
So they just grow.
They will grow. Like you give it some time, they should double up in size.
Oh my god, okay. Because you know what, I already can see that. I put one on the top and it's tiny, but the ones below it are already swelling
Soaking up. Let's try this.
It's crunchy, it's sweet, it's refreshing, but that chashni is so refreshing with the rose water and the saffron. I want this all the time. This was so much fun. Thank you so much. I feel like I learned even more about Hindi today. I had such a good time with you.
Same, I had such a good time. It's always so much fun to introduce you to desserts and food I eat here all the time.
You guys should go definitely check out BuzzFeed India. There's more videos with Aniket and all his friends. It's super fun. And let us know in the comments if there's any other challenges or things you want us to try together, because we just want to keep hanging out.
We totally want to keep hanging out. So let us know what I should teach Katie next.
All right. Well, I'll see you later.
Bye, Katie.
Bye. Bye, guys.
Oh, yes.